In today's video, we're going to talk about Shopify Checkout Extensions, what they are, how they work, and why they're one of the biggest updates for store owners. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to customize your checkout page on Shopify but felt stuck because you thought it required coding, a developer, or even Shopify Plus, this video is going to make everything clear. Checkout is the most important page on your entire store. It's the moment where your customer finally decides whether they're going to buy or bounce. And up until recently, that checkout experience was completely locked down. You couldn't really edit it, you couldn't really add new elements, and every Shopify store pretty much looked the same once you reached the payment screen. But now with Shopify's new checkout extensions, that is all changing. You can finally personalize your checkout to match your brand, make it feel more trustworthy, and even add upsells or gift options, all without touching a single line of code. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So let's talk about, again, what Shopify checkout extensions even are. The easiest way to think about them is like building blocks. Each extension is a small add-on, basically a mini app that lets you customize your store's checkout page in new and creative ways. Instead of redesigning your checkout from scratch and editing complicated code, you can now drag and drop these small extensions into your checkout and instantly improve the customer experience. For years, the checkout page on Shopify was completely locked down. And again, Shopify did this intentionally for security reasons because it handles really sensitive customer data, payment processing, and compliance. So unless you were on Shopify Plus and had access to checkout.liquid files, you almost had zero control over how your checkout looked or functioned. Every checkout looked the same, simple, secure, but not customizable. Now with checkout extensions, Shopify has opened up that experience safely. These extensions are pre-approved secure blocks that integrate directly with Shopify's system. You're not editing code, you're enhancing what's already there. For example, you can add a custom note box where buyers can leave special requests or messages. You can include trust badges that say things like 30-day money-back guaranteed or secure payment processed via Shopify. You can even include post-purchase upsells that appear right after checkout, giving customers an option to add a related item with one click. Some stores use checkout extensions to collect customer preferences or display loyal points and rewards directly during checkout. Others simply use them to improve the design and reassurance or provide clarity, like showing shipping thresholds or return guarantees. All of this happens within Shopify's protected checkout system, which means you never have to worry about breaking your store or compromising payment security. These are small modular updates designed to make your checkout smarter, cleaner, and more brand aligned. Now that you know what these checkout extensions are, let's talk about why they matter. When your customer reaches your checkout page, they've already made the hardest decision. They've decided they want your product. Your job at this point isn't to convince them anymore, it's to make the process as easy, trustworthy, and distraction-free as possible. Every extra click, every small doubt, every moment of friction, that's where people abandon their carts. And that's exactly what checkout extensions are designed to solve. By using these extensions, you can remove hesitation, increase trust, and even raise your average order value. For example, adding a simple trust badge under the payment buttons helps customers feel confident that their transaction is secure. A free shipping reminder placed near the total can encourage shoppers to add one more item to reach that threshold. If you sell products that are often gifted, adding a gift message box lets buyers personalize their purchase, make the experience more emotional. Even small touches like adding a need help ? Message with your support email or live chat link can make a customer feel taken care of if something does go wrong. And those small confidence boosts directly affect your conversion rate. The real power here isn't just in how the checkout looks, but how it actually feels. Checkout extensions make it possible to turn your checkout from a generic one-size-fits-all page into something that represents your brand and supports the customer journey along the way through the final purchase. Now let's talk about what's happening technically behind the scenes. So Shopify used to rely on something called checkout.liquid files, which only Shopify Plus stores could access. Those files let developers hard code changes into the checkout, but they came with a big risk. If you made a mistake, you could break your checkout entirely or mess up how payments were processed. Now Shopify's new system called checkout extensibility changes that completely. Instead of editing code, you now use Shopify's new checkout editor, which works just like the regular theme editor. You can drag and drop blocks visually, choose where to place new extensions, and preview how it looks all without coding. The extensions themselves come from the Shopify App Store. You install them like any other app, and once they're connected, they automatically appear inside your checkout editor as new blocks that you can place anywhere in the layout. These are Shopify built extensions that come free with your plan, and there are third-party ones built by developers that offer more advanced features. Some popular examples include include checkout blocks, which lets you add custom notes, banners, or messages. They also have order bump, which helps you create small upsell offers at checkout, and reconvert, which adds thank you page upsells or loyalty incentives after purchase. Each extension is designed to work with Shopify's security system, so you never have to worry about affecting payments or slowing down your site. It's really all plug and play. Also, as a side note, if you don't see checkout extensions immediately, you're not missing anything. Shopify has been rolling out checkout extensibility gradually to all plans, but not every store has it yet. If your store still uses the classic checkout, you won't see the customized checkout button or the new editor. The good news is that you don't have to be on Shopify Plus or pay for anything extra to get it. It's available on each plan, even the basic version. If you don't see it right away, you can go ahead and reach out to the support team and just ask for it to be available. In the meantime, you can still install checkout related apps directly from the Shopify App Store, and most of them will integrate automatically even before you get the new visual editor. Now, once checkout extensibility is active, you can customize things like your checkout, branding, your logo, your colors, and then small app blocks that add functionality. You can place a trust badge near your total, add a small banner that says free shipping over $50, include a note box for customers to write a message or display reviews and ratings to remind buyers that other customers love your product. You can also make your checkout feel more like your brand by aligning the fonts, colors, and messaging with the rest of your site. When customers reach the final step, it should feel like a continuation of your store, not a completely different page that looks generic. These details might seem small, but in e-commerce, the small details are everything. They build confidence and make your customer's final step feel smooth and familiar. Okay, now let's go through the pros and cons of Shopify Checkout Extensions so you can decide if it's worth investing your time into. So the main benefit of Checkout Extensions is accessibility. Anyone can use them. You don't need a developer, you don't need to upgrade, plus you don't need to worry about code. You just install the app, drag the block where you want it, and save. It's also extremely secure. Because Shopify controls the checkout experience, every extension goes through a review process to ensure it won't interfere with payments, taxes, or security. That means you can safely experiment and test new checkout features without breaking anything. Extensions are also modular. You can add or remove them anytime, and your checkout layout will adjust automatically. The only downside is that Shopify still limits how much you can change structurally. You don't have to move around core checkout elements like the payment section or the order summary. Shopify locks those areas for compliance and fraud protection reasons. But for small to medium-sized stores, these extensions are more than enough to make a big visual and functional impact. Now let's go ahead and talk about how to get signed up in the different plans and pricing options. If you use our exclusive link down below, you can get started with a free trial and then keep building for $1 per month. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter an email. Okay, you can go ahead and create a password, create account. Okay, so once you go ahead and enter your password, you can go ahead and get logged in. Okay, so this is kind of what the dashboard looks like. We've got the home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, finance, analytics, online store, and then apps. So to search the App Store, you can go ahead and search checkout, and then it will bring up all of the different apps that you can include. Okay, now for pricing, they do have a couple different options here. And like I said, you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after that, you can go ahead and pay $1 a month for the first 3 months on these 3 plans. So the basic, the grow, and the advanced. The plus plan is different. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the yearly plans because this is how you can save 25%. So with the basic plan, it's $29 per month. The card rates are the highest, and then they get other features like 77% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, and more. Then we've got the grow plan, which is $79 per month paid annually. With this, the card rates do decrease a little bit. And then we've got some other, standout features like 88% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, 5 staff accounts, and then in-person selling by phone or POS device. Then we've got the advanced plan, which is $299 per month billed yearly. With this, they are the lowest card rates besides the plus plan. But as you can see, it drops to 2.5% plus 30 cents online, 2.4% plus 10 cents in person, and then 0.6% for third-party payment processors. Okay, then other features, you get everything in the grow plan, but you also get 15 staff accounts and local storefronts by market. Lastly is the plus plan, which you can get for $399 for your first month, and then it's $2,300 a month billed yearly on a 3-year term. The card rates are very competitive for high volume merchants, and then standout features are up to 88% discount on insurance, third-party calculated rates, 200 inventory locations, unlimited staff accounts, fully customizable checkout, and up to 200 POS Pro locations, and then sell wholesale B2B. So again, they have a plan for everyone depending on where you're at for business, so go ahead and choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you're running running a Shopify store and you haven't explored checkout extensions yet, then you absolutely should. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your conversion rate, build trust, and make your checkout process feel like an extension of your brand. Even a small improvement like adding a secure checkout badge or a need help message can make your customers feel more confident buying from you. And if you're already driving traffic to your store, optimizing checkout is often the highest ROI upgrade you can make. Think about it this way. If your checkout feels professional and aligned with your brand, people are far more likely to complete the purchase. If it looks generic or untrustworthy, even a tiny bit of hesitation can cost you. I know that checkout customization can feel intimidating, especially when you hear words like extensions or editors, but Shopify has made this simple enough that you can start small and build from there. If you want to check out Shopify, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if you're still learning Shopify, don't forget to follow us at Shopify Mastery. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce founders simplify tech and grow smarter with Shopify. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.